Okay, so what we have here is the underwater jackhammer. They love this thing because it sounds like a machine gun underwater. And the way this works is you open this up. That's how you put the bit in and out. Close that up. If you have to dig a hole, you can put a spade attachment on it. You can also use it to drill holes in the side of dams or even inside the rock to plant explosive charges. Hammering inside to bedrock, planting explosives inside, getting out of there and pushing the trigger and watching it all slough off.